Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the hardware and clearing any active Bluetooth link. Make sure the case and buds are charged above half, because resets can fail on low power. Once done, go into your phone or laptop Bluetooth settings and forget the Joyroom device so it won't auto-reconnect. Make sure the earbuds are seated in the case with the lid open and find the small pairing/reset button on the case. You'll use it in the next step to force a factory reset. You now execute the reset. Press and hold the pairing button for about 10 to 15 seconds while the case lid remains open. This clears stored pairings and reboots internal settings. You should see the LED blink or change color. This visual confirms the reset command was accepted. Make sure you do not close the lid or unplug the case during the process, because interrupting power can leave the buds in an inconsistent state. Once the LED indicates completion, the unit is ready to repair. Finally, you pair the Joyroom buds like a new device. Enable Bluetooth, watch for the pairing LED pattern, and select the Joyroom name on your device. Test audio mic and controls to confirm full functionality. If a companion app or firmware update exists, apply it to prevent recurring issues. If pairing or reset fails, make sure the case battery is charged for at least 30 minutes, then repeat the reset sequence. If problems persist, inspect the button for debris or contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.